When you first log in, your camera will be positioned behind your avatar in third-person view. There's different ways to control the camera. Let's go through them. Rolling the mouse scroll wheel forward and backwards will zoom in and out on the current focus point. Holding down the right mouse button and moving the mouse side to side will orbit around the current focus point. Holding down the right mouse button and moving your mouse forward and backward will zoom in and out. Holding down Control and the right mouse button will pan and tilt the camera around the current focus point. Holding down the Shift and Control and right mouse button will pan the camera side to side or up and down while maintaining the current focus point. If you press the ESC key, your camera will reset to its original position. Latch Cam allows you to choose a specific object as your current focus point. You can then move the camera around it using the controls we previously discussed. To latch your camera onto an object, hold down the Alt key and click on the object with your right mouse button. Holding the right mouse button activates Fly Cam. This will detach your camera from your avatar and will feel as if you are flying a drone camera. Holding the right mouse button and using the W or S keys will move the camera forward and backwards. Holding the right mouse button and using the A or D keys will move the camera to the left and right. Holding the right mouse button and using the R or C keys will move the camera upwards or downwards. Holding the right mouse button and moving your mouse will rotate the camera following your mouse movement. You can do a combination of the above movements, for example, moving forward while turning your mouse to the right. By activating Mouse Look, you can lock your camera to your mouse and take on a first-person perspective. To activate Mouse Look, press the M button on your keyboard. You can then use your mouse to direct your camera. Press the M button again to exit Mouse Look. You can also enter Mouse Look by using your scroll wheel to zoom in as tightly as you can on the scene in front of you. A dialog box will appear, asking whether you wish to enter Mouse Look. If you confirm your choice, you will enter Mouse Look at that time. Press the M button when you want to return your camera to third-person view. When controlling your camera, there is a tooltip that appears at the bottom right of the screen, which helps remind you of every way the camera can be moved. You can fine-tune the way your camera behaves by opening the Settings window and clicking the Camera section, which will then reveal several options that allow you to further customize how you want your camera to behave.